We got everything set up over here. And we got... What are you doing? What are you... Dude, what's going on?
Nothing. Wow, that's incredible. Wow, that's incredible. Much as I can here, but look at that. That's insane. So what I'll do is I'll show the homeowner that. That's incredible. Let's...
Ready?
Yeah, go ahead.
Watch out.
Bye.
That's why your dryer wasn't started.
That's crazy. I wonder how far, like, are you able to get to all of it?
No, we got equipment for that.
Get all of it.
Got my hand stuck.